It's 9:06, and today I am filming a 24-hour transformation challenge video. I don't know, and it's not actually 24 hours. It's more like 12 hours, I guess, because I'm going to a party tonight. I think we're gonna leave at like 9ish, 9:30ish. I felt like doing this video for a while now because honestly, all semester, all year long, I just been looking bummy. Like, I don't get dressed for school. I wear sweats all the time, some basic ass outfits. I never do my hair. I've had this tired ass bun on my head since September. Like, literally, I wear the same hairstyle. The bun is tired. It has to go. So I just said, let me, you know, get cute today or whatever. My nails look crusty, dusty. Look at this. Like, I had this polish on for like 2 weeks now. Disgusting, I know. So I just wanna get cute today. What else? Oh, it's spring break. Easter is on Sunday, so I might as well get nice for that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys my little transformation on a budget, because I ain't spending shit. Your girl is broke. I haven't had my hair braided in a minute. Looking like little Bow Wow. Bow Wow Wow, yippee yo, yippee gay. Where my dogs at? I'm watching Choice TV. He's too funny. I just feel like being extra, so I'm going to do a mask, and I don't know which one to do. By the way, if any of you have seen my birthday freebies video, I totally forgot to mention this gift that I got from 𝖋𝖎𝖚𝖎𝖓𝖌, London. I tried to put it in like a card in the video. I don't know if it popped up or not, but yeah, this was also a free birthday gift, so I'll link that video down below if you haven't seen it. But it came with a deep moisture mask by Clarks Botanicals, and then 𝖊𝖐𝖚𝖚𝖎𝖓𝖙 pore minimizing cleanser, and then a 𝖋𝖎𝖓𝖙𝖐, I don't know how to say it, Perfect serum, which I already have from Sephora, I think. But yeah, that's what they gave. My face is not too oily today, so I'm gonna do the pink one. And I'm just gonna use it all over my face.
I'm going to Coachella. So yeah, got this big humpback whale bedbug looking bitch going off, talking shit through the wall, and talking to me crazy, confronting me out of nowhere. I can't take
it. So I'm about to paint my nails because they look crusty, dusty. So, ew. I don't know what earrings to wear. Oh, so my nails are done. Don't they look kind of cute from far away? Like up close, you can kind of tell like, okay. But far away, I look like I'm going to a circus apparently. That's what my boyfriend told me, that I look like I'm going to a circus. But I said it's Easter Beach. It's Easter Beach. I'm feeling festive, so had to pop out with the colorful pastel Easter egg hunt nails, okay? Because I really like how this one came out from far away. I love like the look of like transparent nails because it just looks like a French manicure. I've been looking at the screen the whole time, sorry. It looks like a French manicure or whatever, whichever country manicure, and it just looks like a natural nail almost, so I love that. So I'm gonna get onto the hair because right now, this hair was sent to me by Megalook, and a lovely lady reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review the hair, and I said hell yes. So that's the box that it comes in, and it's a 16-inch wig. I didn't get anything like super long or anything. Not yet, not yet. We're not ready for that slay yet. It comes with a little card and 2 cute little barrettes. Ew, did I just say barrettes? These are not even barrettes. What the hell? 2 scrunchies, 2 hair ties with like bows on them. And then some, yo, I was laughing when I saw this. Like, really? Really? Y'all did not just do that. Like, come on now. Oh, did I tell y'all what time it is? Look how dark it got. Like, it's 8:38. I have like a good hour left to be done, and I still have to do my makeup, and I forgot about my toenails. Oh my gosh, I have an hour left, and I still have to like customize this and everything. Okay, I have to get to moving. So this is pre-plucked, and this video is not sponsored, by the way. Is it sponsored? I don't know. They sent me here. This is a pre-plucked wig, and so it's already like nice and plucked. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to like pluck it on my own, and I decided not to, just for the sake of like that energy. I feel like it's pretty decent. I think it's good enough to wear like this, so I'm not gonna pluck it unless after I put it on it looks crazy, then I'll do it another day. But I think it's really good so far, so I'm not gonna pluck it. But what I did do was I bleached the knots. For the first time in my life, I bleached knots, and it came out amazing for my first time. I did a test run on like 2 of my other wigs before I did this one because I didn't want to mess it up. But I think it came out amazing. And I tried to tint the lace, like it didn't really work because I didn't use the proper tool. So I wanted to try the whole wig cap method, but I'm lazy as hell. I'm not the type, like sometimes I don't even be gluing my wig down, so for me to do that whole wig cap thing, I don't think so. And my hair needs to breathe. I don't need it on for like the whole week, so I'm not gonna do that. And for the sake of time, I never did it before, so I don't want to like mess up and then not have any more time to fix it, so I'm not doing that. Ooh, look at my big head. I can't even put the cap on. So I never had a 360 frontal before. This is my first time having a 360. So I don't think I did that good of a good job cutting this, but I'm still fairly new to customizing frontals, so it's whatever. I probably cut too close. I don't know. Eee. My godmother got me early Easter candy. Oh, this is so cute. That's cute. Oh my gosh, she looks like me. She's a little bit more chocolate though, but hold up. Okay, so she looks like me for real, because the discoloration is real. The hyperpigmentation is real. Look at her shoulder, and then look at her face. How does that work? How'd that work? Sis, what's going on? Nah, but this is cute. I like that. More bears. I have so many of these from my godmother. Like, I have tons of them. Ring pop? I haven't had a ring pop in years. I'm about to have one right now. My tongue is about to look mad red. I'm about to be looking mad childish with these nails and a red tongue. So the tingle. Squat, pop, pop. Skitty boop, da. Skitty get a bing, bing, bing. Skitty ya. Can't believe they gave me. Can't believe that package had 3 cherry ring pops and only 1 strawberry. Like, who packed that package? Who? It's 9:56. The 12 hours is up, so we're making it a 13-hour transformation, okay? Ew, this looks disgusting. Yo, somebody come help me. I don't like this. It's weird for me. It's too dramatic. It's not looking natural at all. It's looking real unrealistic. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like, my edges can do this, but damn. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I literally have like 15-20 minutes now, so let me stop playing and let me get to slaying. Damn, I was so ready to like beat my face, and now I just have like 10 minutes. I was so ready to do the most. I can't do that anymore. Oh no, there's glue on my face. This is why I don't do this stuff, man. This is why. This is why. Ow, ow, oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. See, this is what happens when you do this transformation challenge and you're actually going somewhere. And you're actually going somewhere like at night. A lot of the videos that I see is from younger girls who are like still in high school and shit. So they ain't really going nowhere. They ain't going to no club or anything like that. So this is the struggle of doing it at night. And taking all day to do it and not wanting to like do it earlier because you don't want to sit in makeup and a wig all day. But yeah, this is the real life. And then you spend so much time that you waste all your time, and then now you're in a rush. Maybe most girls aren't like me, so guys, this is my finished look. The wig kind of looks funny. I'm gonna let it down in a second when I get to the car, and I'll show you guys my dress later. Hey!
wasn't done in the wrong way, but it was.
It's 4:11. I'm tired as hell. My ears are ringing, and this wig is squeezing my brain. But I'm glad to be home, and my bed